Hi, this is Max, and today I will show you how to update your Ultrascan-B to the latest version, which is version 1.4.3. The procedure is very simple, so let's get right on with receiving the update. Now we need Wi-Fi to go on with the update, so let's pull down the top side of the screen and check your connection status. Now right now it's currently off, so let's click on it, and once connected, as you see, the Wi-Fi icon will light up white. Alright, so let's first click on the Ultrascan-B icon. And when you start the Ultrascan-B application, a pop-up "New version available" will appear on your screen. So let's press yes. And there, it will start downloading the new version of your software. And the download will take a few minutes. Alright, so now once the download is complete, let's install the new version by pressing install on the bottom. And now, once the installation is complete, you will see a big check sign at the center indicating that the app has been installed. Now press open on the bottom right, and it's all done. Last, just to be sure that the new version is installed, all you need to do is click on configuration, and next to SW version, you can check the current version of the software, which is 1.4.3. Alright, so I just finished showing you how to receive and install the latest software version, and I hope you find it useful. And also, for any questions or problems with getting the updates, please feel free to contact our tech support for assistance. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.